Hey, oh yeah, let's go. Hey, Aboli. All the reserve go out. Reserve. Watch your right. Good. Doesn't matter. Let's mark from there. Come out. Hey, Jamie, come out. Keep that boy off. Jamie, leave and let go off. Leave her, off. Outside. Oga, come out. See your last man here. You know what here now?
You know cheaper.
Out. Let's mark it from there.
Render this boy useless. Render the useless.
Don't go back.
Charge you up.
Come back. Let's go, guys. Find one, Kosa, find one. Come out.
Find Baisa.
Go, you put your back down. Hey. Wait.
Run now. Wait. No plan tackle, Tarente. No plan tackle. Good ball, Shavi. Too fast.
No worry. Come back. Find one. You are marking from there. See, you are marking from there. Mark your man, one-on-one. Right way.
Then you pass now. RF.
Come out. Napoleon. Drop, come on, no, give up. No worries. Pull them out. This was in that video. Line one. Napoleon. Put it on him. Offside. Referee. Bossa.
Asa. Full force.
Yeah, I do one, eh?
Let's go.
Handshake.
Good day, everybody. My name is Michael EGHOBA. I'm an EGHOBA 88. And we came here for this Novelty match to watch 88, 87 set playing with the school team. And this school team that they played with are the team that won the Governor's Cup. So it was not a lazy match for the old boys. They played fantastically, and at the end of the day, it ended with a draw, with the school team conceding the penalty. And the game, I think the ball was called by Mr. Naku for the old boys.
Presently, a member of the Global Executive.
Very good, very good. So your
And I'm return of post as the Global Legal Advisor.
Very good. So you mentioned
those ones. My name is Victor Yosumo. I passed out from this noble school in 1983. I'm presently the Global Deputy Legal Advisor, and I'm running for the office of the Global Legal Advisor, which I have been returned unopposed to be confirmed tomorrow. The impact of EGHOBA globally on this school is obvious. You will see that from different developments that have happened in this school, almost all the green structures that you see here are done by EGHOBA. My class of 83, if you go to their lab today, all the chairs and the stools for the laboratories, all the 3 laboratories were also donated by the school. If you go to the back of the hall, the toilet facilities were just built by a class. So we have had very much impact on this school because it's our matter, and we'll continue to ensure that the school is better. We have more lofty ideas to develop the school so that it can be a model for other schools to copy. Internationally, we have a lot of our members who are in UK, who are in US, who are in Asia, and they are members. They have different chapters who are also members of this school in Abuja, in Lagos, and they have contributed to a very large extent to the welfare and development of this alma mater. So we continue to bond. This Benary annual convention, usually 2 years, is good for us because it will allow us to meet old friends, old colleagues that we have not seen for so many years.
Yeah, I'm Prince Solomon Mosuvie. I'm a 97 sect. I'm the president of my sect. We have come here to do the needful. There's a novelty match between the global and the junior students in this present school. We've come here to do the needful, to see how we can impact on the academic and other activities, sports activity in this school. And this is what we have been doing for long. And at the same time, as you can know, is a convention. It's a 2 years program. We've been here last 2 years, and today we are here again to perform the rituals, which we are on now. And the beauty of it is to see those we have not seen over the years, to harmonize, discuss, and be happy, enjoy ourselves at the end of the day. And at the end of the day also to see how these students could be empowered academically through scholarship programs and other infrastructural stuffs. That is why we are here. If you look at this environment, you will see that most of the infrastructure here are done by the old boys of this school. And we are not tired of doing more. I believe by the grace of God, God by our side, we are going to do more better.
Okay, my name is Victor. I'm a student of Egosa Anglican Grammar School. We are part of the school team. It was formed after the winning of the last Governor's Cup for Edo State. So due to that, the old boys decided to form a team so we can go to other competitions. And so they have been supporting us really good. Like they provided training kits, match kits, and other equipment, yes, for us. We really thank them for the opportunity and for giving us the chance to express our feelings in the sport that we love. Like many of us love this game. Like we like to go international. So this is a stepping stone. We can start from here. So we really thank them for the opportunity that they're giving to us right now. And we are very happy. On behalf of the school and the school team, I want to tell them a very big thank you for what they have done. They've innovated our school for us, giving us new equipment, not only for the team, but also for the school too. So we want to tell them a very big thank you for what they have done for us.